Hello, welcome to English Grammar Quiz. Total questions 20. Each question you have 5 seconds of time. You can pause the video if you need more time. So, let's get started now. I dash cut my hair. Option A has. Option B had. The correct answer is option B had. He dash to school every day. Option A goes. Option B go. The correct answer is option A goes. My aunt dash a teacher. Option A on. Option B is. The correct answer is option B is. There is dash left here. Option A none. Option B nothing. The correct answer is option B nothing. He is dash intelligent boy. Option A. Option B an. The correct answer is option B an. We all dash chocolate. Option A like. Option B likes. The correct answer is option A like. I spoke to dash last night. Option A her. Option B she. The correct answer is option A her. Rain is dash heavily. Option A falling. Option B fallen. The correct answer is option A falling. Where dash you come from? Option A or option B do. The correct answer is option B do. Dash do you work? Option A who? Option B where. The correct answer is option B where. There is dash than that one. Option A better. Option B good. The correct answer is option A better. Everyone dash here. Option A are. Option B is. The correct answer is option B is. Where dash she live? Option A was. Option B does. The correct answer is option B does. What time did she dash up? Option A got. Option B get. The correct answer is option B get. She will come dash. Option A tomorrow. Option B yesterday. The correct answer is option A tomorrow. We dash eating rice. Option A are. Option B was. The correct answer is option A are. There is dash an election. Option A being. Option B been. The correct answer is option B been. Everyone dash tired. Option A was. Option B were. The correct answer is option A was. I have dash bananas. Option A 1. Option B 2. The correct answer is option B 2. I go dash by bus. Option A to home. Option B home. The correct answer is option B home.